Why are you laughing so much? This is a serious video, woman. We're giving away a shade. A Mojo shade. It will be given away June 6th. Giveaway time. This is serious business. Here we are. This is Rock Solid Rig. I'm Josh and this is Providence. We're here to give away a Mojo shade. Hey, what's up, guys? We're out here next to some pond or lake or something. I don't know where we're at, but we're out here with the top off, enjoying our Mojo shade. Absolutely love this thing. Picked it up from Mojo Shades. Obviously, this guy named Ron runs a company. Really great shade. We absolutely love it. Goes on with the little bungee cord ball things that we show you guys. Main reason we're making this video is because we are doing a giveaway. We have hit 250 subscribers. We have surpassed 250 subscribers, and as a thank you, we want to give away a shade. So, number one thing, you do have to be a subscriber to win. Number two, you have to comment below with the model of your Jeep and the color that you would like to win. The shades are available for, I'm fairly certain, YJ. I know for certain TJ, LJ, JK, JT, and JL. All those are available. Bunch of different colors. We're going to have the links below. You can pick from whatever color you want. You have to comment with your model and with the color that you want. Corey, you said if you win, you're picking pink, and I'm holding you to that. We're putting a pink shade on Ophelia if you win. Drawing is going to be just like last time. It'll be a random number generator thing. Everybody's going to have a number assigned based on your comment. All that good kind of stuff. There will be a couple other ways that you can probably enter the contest as well. Going to sort all those out, and we'll get those left somewhere on the Facebook page. We're going to be doing the giveaway on June 6th, which is Providence's birthday. We did the last giveaway on my birthday. We're going to do this one on hers. So yeah, if you guys want to win a shade, subscribe, leave us a comment with the model and the color, share this with all your friends. We want them to have a chance to win too. Give away a Mojo shade. They're super awesome.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.